We proceed.
Nigeikaro kiria kiririmbũrire ndũgamano hiũ gatagatĩ ka gavana na seneta wa Nairobi mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya seneti ya waki na mĩbango. Kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩkĩenjera na kinyi mũbango wa thirikari ya Nairobi wa kũrirũkia estates kana icagi gĩkĩro-inĩ gĩa kĩrĩ mũbango ũrĩa ũrakuruhania ũmomori wa nyũmba cia gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ.
Are you sitting down with each individual tenant in Nairobi, in all the 13 estates, you as a governor? That's what I heard you say.
Are you finished? So I answer.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Chair, we'll enter into the movies with the specific tenants.
Okay.
Those are the ones, you are a tenant, you pay rent alone. The leadership doesn't pay rent. No one pays rent in an association.
Very well.
So those rent-paying tenants of Nairobi have a contractual agreement.
So Chair, I am interested in you providing, like for the 7 estates, the 7 sites that you have identified, I would want to see that MOU.
Kuringana na gavana SAKAJA mũbango ũyũ ũratwarana na manifesto yake ya kũrirũkia Nairobi, no kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩgĩkwo nĩ araruta wĩra ũtarĩ gĩkĩro-inĩ gĩake na matukũ magoka kwaya kũgĩa na ndũgamano ya no mwene taito ya mĩgũnda iria icagi ici irĩ, amu kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩrauga kanjũ ĩyo nyiki ona thirikari ya Nairobi ti njiganu gũtambũra ene mĩgũnda ĩno.
Counter check with what you're saying from the document. As much as we say that we would want to listen to you, you're on record. And remember, you have not taken the oath. So that's why we require documents, because otherwise it might be a storytelling endeavor.
SAKAJA arauga thirikari yake ĩkoretwo ĩgĩkanĩrĩra ngirimiti na aikari a icigo ici na njĩra ya gũcemania nao haha kĩũria gĩa gũtambũra aikari a kuma tene gĩkĩyumĩria. Kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩkiuga ũyũ nĩ wagarari wa watho.
For me as a senator of Nairobi, I'm hearing this for the first time. Yesterday there was a scheduled groundbreaking in Woodley. How do you do groundbreaking without having signed these MOUs with the residents? The residents are hearing about the MOUs for the first time.
Was there a groundbreaking that took place?
It was scheduled. I was invited to, I have an invitation for a groundbreaking. Why were you writing to me if there was no groundbreaking?
As much as we say that we would want to listen to you, you're on record. And remember, you have not taken the oath. So that's why we require documents.
What is important is this. These residents of Nairobi, they want houses. They want decent living. If you look at the state of many of these houses, they are deplorable, Chair.
Kamĩtĩ ĩno rĩu yathĩte thirikari ya SAKAJA ĩrũgamie mĩhang'o ĩno na atware wũiguano wa thirikari yake na aikari. Watho wa igoti gwata marĩhi mothe ma marĩhi ma nyũmba marĩa thirikari cia hau kabere nginyagia rĩu ĩkoretwo ikĩũngania ihinda-inĩ rĩa thikũ 14.
The documents which had already been submitted, Chair, we have resubmitted today. The documents that would require some scrutiny, in my view, just looking at it. Remember, this is City Council. In the 80s, you want receipts for rent payment from the 80s and those records. I am not sure of the veracity of the documents we will get. But if it is 2 weeks, we'll do our best.
The city county of Nairobi, in good faith, and here I'm putting it in good faith, should stop the development of the 13 estates until this matter is concluded by the committee.
Girifotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.